What are these?
White.
It's white? What is this? What are all of these?
White.
White.
What's inside of the egg, Ben?
Do you have eggs there? It's an egg, yeah. What are these?
Bird.
Birds? Are they chicks? How many chicks do you have? One.
John, it's two.
How many?
It's one guy.
Orange.
Orange.
I don't know if it comes out of there.